Hi there, lovelies. So I'm going to do a seascape today. Dramatic sky, some cliffs here, and big boat in the foreground, really, and some smaller boats here, as if they're going to go out to sea out there. Right, atmospheric, hopefully dramatic. Okay, so let's get started. So the colours that I'm using today are lemon yellow, black, burnt umber, cream, ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, crimson, and burnt sienna. If there's anything else, I'll let you know. So let's make a start on this dramatic sky that I want here. So now there'll be several layers. So I'm going to use some blue, ultramarine, a little bit of black as well, and some cream. Let's see what that does. And I'm working acrylic on card, of course. Now, let's see. Yeah. This is just the first coat. I'll keep it dark. But, like I say, it's just the first coat. There'll be several coats. There. I'm going to go here like this. I don't want to cover my boat too much. Yeah, there we go. Right. Bit patchy, which is what we want. If I've covered the boat, I'm going to go over it again with pencil. Because I don't want to go over it. Not really. Right. So at the moment, it's just a question of covering that card or canvas, whatever you're working on, you've got to cover it and give it, quite a few coats to get the effect. You've got to give it a lot of coats. Each time I'm using a different colour, I'm not completely covering the colour that's underneath. All the time I'm doing that throughout the whole painting, whether it's sky, clouds, boats or whatever, I'm leaving some colour underneath and around it. And I'm just experimenting with colours to see which looks better, which I think is better. So all the time I'm changing those colours. In the sea there, I've used ultramarine, and I've added a little bit of lemon yellow and some black, and it's made that sort of sea green colour. But I'll probably change that. I change everything, clouds, everything. And I try and get as many colours as I can into the sky, colours that I'm going to use. I've got blues and I've got yellows and peach and the darks, the very darks, and the cream. I try and get as many colours as I can, and I just keep experimenting. It's ever changing. The painting is ever changing, as you'll see. I think when you're not an experienced painter, you tend to think that you just put the paint on and that's it. It doesn't change from that. It doesn't work like that. It's all experimental. It's all looking at, the effect that you've got, the colours that you've got. It's just changing all the time, and if you can get your head around that, you will be a painter. So instead of doing the usual white sails, I decided to do sort of old-fashioned boat with the rusty coloured sails. I think it's turning out quite well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you would like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. The channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.